Welcome back to Plant a Gardener. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite tools. Uh, if you do a lot of planting and you want to do it quickly, this little tool here really makes life a little easier. And the way it works is you squeeze the handle right here and then you simply push it down in the soil, and then when you release it, it comes up with just a correct amount of soil that you need and a perfect hole. From there, you take your greens or whatever plant that you're planting and you simply set it in a hole just like that. And then from there, you release the dirt. Sometimes you have to tap it if it's too moist. And you just work it in there just like that. And then that's it. And then you're off to your next one. I hope you like this video and thank you for hanging out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with us in our garden. Don't forget to click and subscribe so you can watch our upcoming videos. Join us again at the Green Thumbers Playground.